up, you guys? It's your girl Rayanne Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, guys, I am finally coming to you with a hair video. It's been forever and a day, I know. Yeah, I finally did my hair, and honestly it felt like I didn't even know how to do my hair. I had to like relearn, because after you have like a protective style in for so long, it just feels like you don't know how to do your hair anymore. So that's kind of what happened here, and I was like, I don't know if it's gonna turn out, but this is how the braid out did turn out. And it's also been a long time since I've done braid outs. I've surprisingly been a wash and go girl, so lately I should say. But if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then definitely keep on watching. But before we hop into the video, please make sure that you're subscribed and hit the bell so you know when I post new videos. Alright, so let's hop into the video. Alright guys, so I'm starting this style on freshly washed hair, and if you haven't seen my recent lazy wash day, go ahead and check that out. I will have it linked below as well as on the screen somewhere. But yeah, you guys, I actually just took out a protective style. This is right after I took out my knotless braids, and I honestly did not know what to do with my hair, but I did decide to do a braid out. So I actually just wanted a side part, so here I am just using my rat tail comb and creating a side part, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting some leave-in into my hair and sectioning it off. Alright, so this is what my part is looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my fingers to separate my hair into my first section. I'm adding the TGI and Miracle Repair leave-in conditioner. This is honestly one of my faves, definitely one of my top 3. It gives you slip and also a ton of moisture, and it smells really good too, and it also is pretty thick of a product. But I'm just gonna add this to my section and bantu knot it, and then just put a satin scrunchie over it. And I like to do this first just so that my hair has time to soak in all of that leave-in, and it just helps with the whole detangling process. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like. All the sections have some leave-in in it. So next I'm just going to take down this back section, and I'm going to use this brush right here to start detangling. And trust me, this just feels so much better than when I first put the product into my hair, because it's had some time to absorb and actually work into my hair. So detangling is definitely much easier when I do this. But I'm just going to continue detangling, and then I'm going to add my twisting cream to start my braids. I'm not sure if I told you guys, but I have started using products that I used to use before. I just want to test them out and see if they still work. So I went back to using the curl food from the exact same line, and this is the Miracle Repair line. I'm just going to apply this to my hair. This twisting cream is very thick, and it does have a nice subtle smell. I'm just putting this all over my section, and then I go back ahead with my brush just to comb it out a bit. It does start to clump your curls together. I'm not sure if I would use this as a base for a wash and go. I've never tried it, but I am just going to start my braid. I'm going to get my 3 sections and literally just start doing a very simple braid. I do like to use larger braids when I do my braid outs. I just find that they turn out a lot better than doing smaller braids, but it's really up to you what look you are going for. But I do like to stop in the middle once I'm braiding and just kind of tighten the braid so that my roots are not super puffy. For me, I will say the other key for a successful braid out is to make sure that you are putting an even amount and a decent amount of the product in your hair. I am very heavy-handed on my products, I know that, and you don't have to add as much product to your hair that I do, but this is just what works for me. Once I finished all my braids is I go back and kind of just squeeze out the excess product. I don't waste that product, I just kind of put it in the cap and reuse it for the next braid, but I do find that helps just to get out some of the excess product so that I don't have white flakes.
What was me? Baby, this is tragic. Cause we had it. We was magic.
Now I'm mad, real mad, Joe Jackson. You should leave your boyfriend now. I'ma ask you. I don't know what it is, you guys, but early 90s and 2000 music just hits different. But anywho, I'm on my last braid. This honestly felt so good. Like, I was just tired of my hair at this point. I did end up leaving some hair at the back, like just loose. I always do that. Let me know if you guys do the same thing. But I actually had to go out this day, so I ended up just putting my hair in a quick bun, and I just did my edges and tied it down. And after my makeup and everything, it actually turned out really cute. So there's also a way you can wear your braids, especially if your hair takes a while to dry like mine. Alright guys, this is the next day, and I did go to bed with bands in my hair just to help stretch my braids to give me some elongation. But I'm just gonna go ahead and take these out, and this is what my hair is looking like. I did notice there was a little bit of dampness, and we don't take out our braids when we feel any sort of moisture, because that's just gonna give me more frizziness. So anywho, I did go sit under the dryer, and I'm just putting some oil in my hands right now, and this is also going to help minimize some frizz before I take them out. And so I'm just running that through all of my braids, and then I'm going to go ahead and start separating. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, you guys, as soon as I started taking them down and kind of feeling how my hair felt, I already knew that it wasn't gonna give me as much hold and definition as I was looking for. And yes, my baby came in to give me a hug, and she's so cute. She's like, I love you, mama. Anyways, yeah, I'm just taking these down. I felt like right here, it looks like I have a lot of definition, but I mean, you guys will see when I start separating the braids, it wasn't given what I needed it to give. Alright guys, so this is what my hair looked like after I took down all of the braids, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it up with a satin scrunchie just so I can work section by section. I did start unraveling and separating the braids, and I kind of just feel where it's starting to come apart, and I like to just finger coil it around a few times just to kind of solidify, and I find it really helps to minimize the frizz. So you guys can just see me doing that. Obviously did this around my whole head. I'm not going to show you guys my whole head because you don't need to be sitting here watching that, but it's pretty self-explanatory. I just kept doing this all over. Again, I just started feeling like my hair was just gonna be a frizzy mess at this point, because it was definitely giving me a soft hold, and in this heat for summer, I need my hair to have some sort of hold when I take it down. Otherwise, I know it's just gonna be super frizzy by the end of the day. Alright guys, so I unraveled everything, and this is what my hair is looking like, but this is where the real magic happens. I like to pick up my hair to my desired volume, and I also like doing this because it just helps to frame the hair around my face. But I just used this pick, and clearly it has some prongs missing. Natural girl problems. But I also like to go in with my rat tail comb, and I use that at the bottom just to help separate the curls kind of more gently than the pick would do. And I just usually do this closer to the bottom. I do sometimes go up at the top, as you guys can see, but I mostly use this to give me a little bit more volume at the bottom without disrupting the curls too much. I did already do my edges the day before, but I'm just adding a little bit more eco styler, and I'm just gonna pin this little section up right here just because I kind of wanted it out of my face, and I don't know, I just felt like it looked super cute. So I'm just putting 2 bobby pins and crossing them together to secure them, and that is the final look, you guys. I just kind of play with my hair, frame it to my face and my liking, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, this is the final look, and honestly it does look good, but I'm kind of, I don't know, I'm not super duper satisfied just because my ends are a little bit frizzy, and I feel like as much as it does look good, it's not gonna last like a whole week like my braidouts usually do. So next time I may add some gel to the twisting cream, or what is it called, the curl food, I guess. But next time I will add some gel to it just to maybe make it last a little bit longer. I honestly love the volume of this braid out because I've been so used to wash and goes lately, which is crazy because for the longest time I was not a wash and go girl, but like braid outs were definitely my go-to style. But the braid out is back and I'm loving it. I'm here for it. Comment down below what you guys think. Do you think I should try it again with gel? Do you think it looks good? I don't know. I'm just, as much as I feel like it does look good, I feel like it's a little bit frizzy for like my regular braid outs. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for supporting me. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, of course, if you haven't already. But hopefully I see you guys in another video. But for now, I'm gonna say toodles. Bye guys.